Pivot table filters. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about filters. There are three types of filters in pivot tables: row filter, column filter, and table or report filter. So let's get an idea about each one of them one by one. Row filter is something which filters the row fields. Like in this example, there is a zone field which is put in a row section. So east, north, south, west are the row labels, are the four items in zone fields which have become our row labels. We can filter this just like our normal filter, and if you want to see only for say east, you can just go to this filter and filter it and see the details only for east. So this is a simple, just similar to our normal filter. Second filter is column filter. Like it filters our column headers or column fields or column labels. For example, in this case, category field is put in a column area, and there are three items in category. You can filter them out. You can see only gents collection details by filtering the column. See, two columns disappeared. So now grand total and your individual item are same, because there is nothing else than gents collection. If you include kids collection in that, now both of them will be shown, and grand total is the total of these two. If you want to remove, just select all. So this is called as column filter. Now third filter is, which is very important, is report filter. It means this box. If you put any field in filters box, it becomes your report filter or table filters, which filters the whole table, and the details of which are not shown inside a pivot table. Like I have put now store name in filters area. So as of now it is showing the details or showing the calculation for, or it is including the values for all the stores. All is selected here, but you cannot see store name anywhere here. But in case of row filters and column filters, you always keep on seeing the fields in your pivot table itself. But in case of report filters, you can see the fields only after clicking the report filter. So there are a lot of stores here. You can select any other store, any one store, and it will show you the details. Now since this store is in Jamshedpur store is in east region or east zone, other zones disappeared, but all the three categories are present there. So it is showing the data only for this store. So this is a report filter. Here also, if you want to select multiple items, you can do so by checking this box, select multiple items. If you want to show all the items, check the box against all. Okay, you can put multiple fields in your report filter. Like I can put article code also. So I want to see for Bhopal store, I want to see only for bags. See, 35. Okay, and what is this 35? Sum of number of pieces. So Bhopal store sold 35 numbers of bags in total. You can give another dimension to it also. You can add a calendar day to it also. We have grouped it in months, so it will show months. Jan is selected. You can select Feb. You can select all also. All 35. Okay. So this is all about filters. In next lecture, we are going to learn about advanced version of filter, which is called slicers, which is more visually appealing and more presentable than filters. It has got its own pros and cons too, which we are going to discuss in next lecture. Thanks a lot.